How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open Chrome and you search Snapchat account locked. This help and Snapchat will show up. Click on it. So there are multiple ways to unlock your phone, but it takes a lot of time. The way I'm going to tell you, that's the only way possible you can get your account back, and Snapchat will consider it. So watch carefully. So here there are many options. My account was locked for violating Snapchat community guidelines, temporarily locked, compromised, locked, just to be safe. Why is my account locked? Right? If you scroll down, here you'll find an article how to submit a lock account appeal. Right? You don't have to choose any of these options. None of these. Here there will be guidelines for everything. All you have to do is come to my account was compromised, means someone else logged in your account and someone else tried to use it without your knowledge. And once you open this, here you'll see an option of contact Snapchat support. Click on that. Once that comes up, you have to click on I want to what we say, my account was compromised, the first option, right? Once you click on that, here my account has been compromised, I can no longer see it. Okay, click here to contact support team. Once you do that, here you'll have to add your username, your email address, and in description you can type key, unknowingly my account was hacked and it got compromised, and please give me my account back. And they'll ask give you a verification code. Normally in a day's time Snapchat will respond and they'll review your account, and your account will get back to you very soon, in a day or two's time. So write a good description, fill in your details, your username, your email. Okay, if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.